is a unique magic to Christmas decorations. They are more than mere ornaments. They are vessels of memory, symbols of light in the darkest time of year, and a language of celebration we speak in our homes. And while glitter and glass have their place, there is a particular enduring charm to decorations made of wood. There is warmth to wood that feels inherently festive. It is a material that was once alive, and in your hands, it feels that way. It carries the memory of the forest. Each grain pattern is a unique signature, each knot a natural work of art. In a season that can often feel rushed and commercial, bringing wooden elements into your home is an act of returning to something simpler, more grounded, and more authentic. Consider the Christmas tree itself. Before it is adorned, it is a testament to this natural beauty, and surrounding it with wooden ornaments creates a harmony that feels deeply right. Simple laser-cut shapes of reindeer and stars, their edges softened by the grain of the wood. Hand-painted wooden baubles that carry the gentle texture of the brushstroke. A rustic wooden star for the treetop, not shiny but glowing with a quiet, understated dignity. These decorations don't compete with the tree, they complement it, creating a cohesive scene that feels pulled from a winter forest. But the charm of wood extends far beyond the tree. Imagine a mantelpiece adorned not with tinsels but with a collection of wooden houses forming a silent, snow-dusted village. Each structure, with its simple lines and soft, matte finish, tells a story. A small light placed behind the wooden window cutout creates welcoming glow that no plastic replica can truly match. It is a scene that invites quiet contemplation, a miniature world of peace and simplicity. Or consider the dining table. A wooden centerpiece can become the heart of your holiday gatherings. A simple carved tray filled with pine cones, cinnamon sticks, and a few nestled wooden ornaments. A joy or a Noel sign, carved from reclaimed barn wood, leaning against the wall as a quiet, powerful reminder of the season's true message. These pieces don't shout for attention, they whisper, creating an atmosphere of warmth and welcome that envelops everyone who gathers around. There is also a profound beauty in movement. A wooden advent calendar, with its 24 small doors or drawers, builds anticipation in a tactile, meaningful way. Each day, the act of opening a tiny wooden compartment is a small ritual, far more satisfying than tearing through thin paper. Or a wooden nutcracker, standing guard by the fireplace, a figure of folklore and function, whose very presence seems to link our modern celebrations to centuries of tradition. And this is perhaps the greatest gift of wooden decorations, their longevity. A scratched or faded plastic ornament can feel worn out, but a wooden one simply feels seasoned. It acquires a patina, a history. The small scuff from a fall, the slight lightning from years of sun. These become part of its story. These are the decorations that are pulled from their boxes year after year, each one a familiar friend, each one carrying the weight of Christmases past. They are not disposable, they're heirlooms in the making. In the end, decorating with wood is about more than aesthetics. It is a choice to embrace imperfection, to value substance over sheen, and to create a Christmas atmosphere that feels genuinely warm, peaceful, and anchored in the natural world. It is a reminder that the deepest joy of the season is often found not in the brightest sparkle, but in the quiet, sturdy, and timeless beauty of simple things. The possibilities with wood are vast as the forest itself. Let me know which of these ideas resonates most with you. The rustic charm of a wooden village, the simple elegance of handmade ornaments, or the timeless tradition of a nutcracker. And what other natural Christmas themes would you like to explore? Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. So until next time, happy decorating.